Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make firecracker meatballs. The ingredients that we're going to need today are half a cup of hot sauce, 1 cup of light brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Also, I'm using already pre-cooked meatballs, and these are microwavable. Okay guys, I have all my ingredients measured out, so we're going to go through it one more time again. I have 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I have a half a cup of hot sauce, 1 cup of light brown sugar, and I'm using a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Okay guys, I have my pot and I'm going to put it on medium low, and all I'm going to do is start to add our ingredients. My hot sauce, apple cider vinegar, my red pepper flakes, and also my brown sugar. And all I'm going to do is mix it until it's well combined, and we're going to let that simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, once our sauce is done simmering, all I'm going to do is pour it into a bowl. And then we're going to move on to our meatballs. All we're going to do is place them onto a microwave safe plate. And we're going to microwave them for 5 minutes. Okay guys, I have my meatballs in the microwave. Okay guys, it's been 5 minutes and our meatballs are done. Okay guys, now all I did was place my meatballs into a bowl. I have my sauce. All we're going to do is take our meatballs, put them into the sauce, move them around some so they're nicely coated. And all I'm going to do is sit it on the plate. And I have some toothpicks here, and all we're going to do is stick the toothpick right into our meatball. And that's all we're going to do, is coat each meatball with our firecracker sauce. Okay guys, so here we have it, our firecracker meatballs. These meatballs are delicious. They're great for an appetizer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.